I'm Casey, here on our new set, and this is Everything at Random. What a wonderful world!
Born in the movies, born in the towns, making a living, just hanging around. Because I'm not gonna lose ya, I'm not gonna move ya, I'm not gonna prove the beautiful.
I am a hobbyist YouTuber. I wouldn't even consider myself a hobbyist filmmaker. Filmmaking is kind of hard, difficult. It's something that I haven't really ever been into. But a YouTuber, the fame, the fortune, the glory, all of that is what appeals to me. I like the idea of possibly being an influencer. And so with that, I decided to up my game a little bit, per se. Back here behind me is our new set. We've had this set for a while, and you might have seen it in previous videos, but it's upgraded with new lights. So I have new lights over there, new lights over there, so it doesn't look like I'm filming in a dark basement. Now, I'm filming in a dark, brightly lit basement. There is a difference. The original idea for Everything at Random came when I edited my first outtake video several years ago. I was making videos for my band and decided that funny things might happen if I left the camera on, and boy, they did.
Just don't know my shoes. I got a Chick-fil-A gift card in 3rd grade choir because I knew what a chorus was. You better stop recording that. I heard the beep.
Fred, do you even educate?
The reception for that video from my friends and family was overwhelmingly positive, and I decided I liked editing and putting together concise videos for people to enjoy. Then, after I got a camera that could shoot in film's glorious, magical 24 frames a second, I was sold on making good-looking content. I still wasn't into filmmaking per se, but I liked making something that looked good and that was concise. Good morning, my four beautiful Everything at Random viewers. Good morning to all. I'm Casey from Everything at Random. I'm Casey from Everything at Random. This is Casey from Everything at Random.
And we are going to be eating chocolate!
Chocolate! So here we are, after pointing my camera at Everything Random after the last couple years, we've put together the set and we've decided to hunker down and make more content. Will the fame come? Maybe, maybe not, but I'll have fun doing it. Let's shoot more tech videos. Let's make more interesting, not boring vlog. Let's film more cars. Let's do more random together. Not entirely sure how to end this one, so I guess I'll finish it with some nice B-roll of the new set. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. And remember, like always, I hope that you have a good day.